Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're making the fluffiest pancakes you've ever tasted. These pancakes are so light and airy, they're practically like pillows of joy. I'm not exaggerating when I say these are the best pancakes I've ever made. They're perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a decadent dessert. And the best part is, they're super easy to make. So let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons sugar, 4 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 3/4 cups milk, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, 1 large egg. Instructions: in a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, melted butter, vanilla extract, and egg. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and whisk until just combined. Don't overmix. Heat a griddle or large skillet over medium heat. Grease the pan with butter or cooking spray. Pour 1/4 cup of batter per pancake onto the griddle. Cook for 2–3 minutes, or until bubbles start to form on the surface of the pancakes. Flip the pancakes and cook for an additional 1–2 minutes, or until golden brown. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings, such as syrup, fruit, whipped cream, or chocolate chips. Tips: for extra fluffy pancakes, separate the egg white and yolk. Beat the egg white until stiff peaks form, then gently fold it into the batter. Don't overmix the batter. A few lumps are okay. Overmixing will make your pancakes tough. Make sure your griddle or skillet is hot before you add the batter. If the pan is too cold, your pancakes will be greasy. Don't press down on the pancakes while they're cooking. This will make them deflate. Serve your pancakes immediately for the best results. I hope you enjoy these fluffy pancakes. They're sure to become a new breakfast favorite in your home. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.